Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to unclog the sink drain in the bathroom or in the kitchen if the water doesn't drain. I have a clogged drain in my bathroom sink. As you can see, the water is draining very slowly. So to fix this, pour 2 liters of hot water into the drain. The water temperature should be around 70 degrees Celsius. Remember that the drain is clogged, so you need to pour water a little at a time. Now take 1 cup of baking soda. I have about that much left in the package. Gradually, you need to pour soda into the drain. If you see that the soda doesn't go down the drain, use a wooden stick or any other long and thin object. When all the baking soda is poured, leave it in this state for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take plain white vinegar and pour it a little bit into the sink. See, there is a reaction. When it stops, pour some more vinegar. In total, you will need 250 milliliters of vinegar. I poured about 1 cup of vinegar into the sink. Now leave it like this for 10 minutes. I rinse the sink a little. See how well the water drains. Next, you need to pour another 2 liters of hot water into the drain. As you can see, the water drains very quickly and there is no more clogging. Well friends, now you know how to fix a clogged kitchen or bathroom sink. The same can be done if your shower drain is clogged. Now you need to wash the sink well. Click on the video that just appeared on your screen and watch how to do it. And I will end with this. Don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye!